Hello my friends, welcome back to a brand new episode on Space Expense. Today we are diving into the exciting world of space exploration as usual. In September 2025, the industry buzzes with progress, from powerful engine tests to detailed launch site work and bold lunar plans. We'll cover Launcher E2's breakthrough, key Starbase tweaks like clamps removal and adapter fits, booster shifts, a major static fire, Firefly's moon mission build, and a fresh adapter install. These steps pushes us closer to a routine space travel and distance worlds. This and many more to be shared on today's episode on Space Expense. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what exactly are you waiting for? Kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week, they are all bangers and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in, shall we? Let's kick off with Launcher E2's engine. This lost kerosene powerhouse, produced by a vast company team, stands out as the top performer in small launch tech. Started in 2019 with 3D printed parts for efficiency, it hit full thrust early on at NASA Stennis. By 2022, test nailed high pressure and turbopump goals, setting records for kerosene engines. Now, in 2025, it proves reliability through long runs, key for boosting payload to orbit without extra cost. This matters because small rockets need strong, reusable engines to compete in a market hungry for affordable access. Imagine satellites launching cheaper and faster, aiding weather tracking or global internet. VAST aims to unlock more missions, building on years of hot fires that exceeds expectations. The Mojave site echoes with success, showing how addictive manufacturing cuts build time while ramping power. As desert flames fade into coastal horizons, we glide to Starbase. A lot is happening there and we have to talk about it, where precise hardware changes fuel the next giant leap. At SpaceX Starbase in Texas, hold-down clamps play a vital role in securing boosters during tests and launches. Removing all 20 from the launch mount signals prep for new startup, like adding a ship ring. This ties into SpaceX's push for rapid reuse, evolving from early Falcon days. In 2025, with Flight 10's successful mission, these changes reduces turnaround time, aiming for weekly flights someday. Without clamps, teams inspect and upgrade Platen, preventing issues seen in past vibrations. It's part of a broader upgrade wave, including better seals on heat shield to handle re-entry heat. This work ensures safety and speed, drawing from lessons like tile gaps in prioritized. Global Ice Watch, as SpaceX's innovation codes slash costs for Mars strips or satellite fleets. With hardware unlocked and ready, our journey flows seamlessly to the heart of maintenance, where old tools get new life. Also at Starbase, the Count Crusher, a sturdy piece from Massey's, handles massive compression tasks at Starbase. Replacing rods keeps it reliable for crashing scraps or testing parts. This upkeep reflects SpaceX's focus on sustainability, recycling materials from prototypes back in 2024. Similar tools help dismantle early boosters, feeding into Block 2 designs. Now in 2025, it's crucial amid Flight 11 prep, where every machine must perform flawlessly. Efficient recycle cuts waste, aligning with eco goals in space tech. Think of it as the backbone for building faster, stronger ships, turning yesterday's test into tomorrow's flight. From crashing power to lifting grace, we transition to the elegant dance of adapters aligning for the stars. Adapters bridge key systems at the launch mount, like shifting from booster to the ship disconnect quickly. Installing this frame on Launch Complex 1 seamlessly, fueling and data links. SpaceX honed this through Flight 1 to Flight 10, where quick disconnect cuts setup time by hours. In September 2025, it's a step towards Part 2 debut, expanding operations for multiple launches. This tech draws from aviation quick swap ideas, boosting efficiency. It enables static fire without full stacks, saving resources. As Block 3 vehicle emerges, such adapters ensure compatibility, paving roads to orbital refilling and beyond. As frames lock into place, we drift towards the steady row of boosters finding their new homes. Moving boosters like B-15-2 into the Mega Bay marks production maturity. This base, vast halls at Starbase, houses final assemblies and checks since 2021 expansions. They've produced dozens of vehicles in 2025 alone. This move follows IFT-10's success, prepping for great fin tweaks that aided precise landing. It's tied to reusing hardware, with boosters now flying multiple times in sims. This efficiency echoes Falcon 9's 300+ missions, but scaled up. Better fins means softer touches, extending lifespan and cutting cost for moon-based or Starlink growth. With boosters settled, the energy builds like a gathering storm, leading us to the roar of ignition. SpaceX's static fire test ignited all engines briefly to check performance for Super Heavy ahead of IFT-11. It confirms readiness after IFT-10's milestone, like booster successful splashdown conducted in September 2025. It builds on prior fire that refined Raptor engines. Starship's path started with hops in 2020, evolving to suborbital feats. Now, focus shifts to orbital goals with V3 shifts, but Flight 11 sticks to proven paths for data. This preps includes better tile seals to flight plasma leaks, learned from hot re-entries. Success here accelerates mass plans, with reusable tech key to multi-planet life. From earlier static fires to lunar dreams, we saw across the void 2 innovative missions that lightens the way. Firefly's Blue Ghost Mission 2 targets the moon's far side in 2026, bigger than its previous mission, standing over 22 feet tall. The lander and Ethra orbiter carry NASA, ESA, UAE, and ASU payloads, including Rashid 2 rover for surface scans. Mission 1 provided upright landings and ops through lunar nights. Awarded $177 million by NASA, it adds sample returns potential. This clips efforts under Artemis boost science, like Water Ice Hands with Spider 2s. Firefly's Texas bills highlight US private space growth, complementing big players. As the moon structures rises, we circle back to Starbase, where final pieces elevate their adventures. Lifting of the ship's static fire adapter onto the launch orbit Mount 1 enables solo engine test. This 2025 additions speeds equals without boosters, vital post-flight 10. Starbase's dual pass preps for Block 3 missions, with Part 2 nearing operation status. Adapters like this evolved from early prototypes, now handling higher thrust. It supports rapid iterations, key for sealing heat shields better. This step ties into broader 2025 upgrades, pushing towards orbital flight and refilling demos. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right here. They were my previous upload and it's a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.